Okay, Millie, today we're learning about Bonfire Night. Now, could you point us through and show us what we've got? Okay, there we have a lovely calendar to tell us how long we have left until Bonfire Night, and some colourful baubles that we could cut out and put in our houseplants. And that one is a bonfire that we have to decorate, and then we pop it onto some card and it can stand up in our window. And we have some Sudoku that's bonfire themed, and a letter to the Guy Fawkes that we can write. And we can make our own guide to put on the bonfire. We can decorate him. And there's a word search. And there's a story of Bonfire Night that we can read with our mummy and daddies. And is this your favourite one? We can make toffee apples, a lovely recipe. And then there's a board game we can all play about Bonfire Night. And the final one is a colouring picture with all the characters. Which is your favourite, Billy?
Toffee apples.
You like toffee apples? Good girl. Say goodbye, darling.
Goodbye.